flood disaster, you can see there's there's some liquids there that are very unknown, and there's a baby crying, and the rain still continues. Americans, Filipinos, if you're here, help us. That they canceled the game for the day. Look at that, more substance, and it's coming there. But what is it? Look at that! So much water is from that pipe. Look at that! That motorcycle. Look at that! Everyone, look at that! It's very thin. Look at the cloud. Oh no, it's thundering. Stay safe, Filipinos. Also for the Manila ones.